Why does YouTube make subscribing to channels so difficult? How do we overcome that? Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. As a YouTube creator, I often wonder why 83% of my viewers do not subscribe to my channel. Well, to me, the answer is pretty simple. YouTube doesn't make it very easy for people to subscribe to your channel. So as an example, for me personally, I watch a lot of the YouTube channels on my TV and not on my PC. It's obvious that when you're watching YouTube on your PC, it's really easy to subscribe to channels. It's right there down below. But when you're watching on your TV or on your phone, it's a little more difficult. So in this video, I hope to show you how to subscribe to YouTube channels right on the fly while you're watching the video with ease. The example I'm going to show you would apply to Comcast or Xfinity. I'm sure that other cable systems remotes operate the same or very similar. So if you can navigate through your TV channels or your options with your TV, they would be very similar. So I'll just show you with this remote here. This is a late model Xfinity remote control. And first thing you want to do is make sure you're actually watching the video from that, maybe it's that new channel that you're watching and you haven't subscribed to them yet. On your TV remote, we're going to be using the center enter button and your arrow buttons to navigate to the different menus. So let's say you're watching a brand new YouTube channel and you want to go ahead and subscribe to that channel. While you're watching the video, you're going to click on the enter button in the middle, and then you're going to click the upper arrow, and that will highlight the name of the video and then you want to scroll over to the thumbnail of that channel, hit enter. Once you hit enter, menu will show up on the right and it will say subscribe. You can arrow down to subscribe, hit enter, and it will subscribe. If you want to get out of that menu real quick, you can hit the back arrow. Likewise, if you want to give that video a thumbs up, once again, hit the enter button, hit the up arrow. That will highlight the title of the video. Scroll all the way over to the right until you reach the thumbs up. And hit enter. To subscribe to a new YouTube channel on your phone, I'll be using my iPhone as an example. We'll get the video started here. And then once the video is playing, you simply hit subscribe. It's that simple on your phone. As a YouTube creator, I was hoping I'd get a lot better than that as far as the percentage-wise of subscribers versus non-subscribers who are watching my videos. So I hope this helped you out, and happy modeling, everybody.